Hi everyone, it's Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun unboxing video for you. But before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss any of our content. I come to you today with a super quick collection unboxing, and it's not only going to be quick because it's a LITE collection, which means that it's a smaller and more pared down and focused version of our usual collections, but also because I'm super excited for the products inside this Polychrome Glow Beads Collection LITE, and I can't wait to work with them. So let's quickly see inside, and then we can start thinking about what cool projects we can make with it. In case you're new here, Eureka Collections are our exclusive palette of beads that we assemble based on an inspiration photo, which we launch every first Thursday of the month. And recently we started launching new LITE collections, which are smaller versions of our collections, around the middle of the month on a Monday. And the great thing about Eureka Collections is that they are not a subscription, you just get whichever one you like. Alright, so here is the collection. Let me tidy it all up and then we'll discuss each product individually. So the first thing that you'll get in a collection, any collection, whether regular or LITE, is in addition to the beautiful inspiration photo, which is the insert in the collection, you also get this inspiring and very useful piece of paper. In the front here, you have an inspiration paragraph, which you can pause to read, that is supposed to get your creative juices flowing, as well as get you in the general mood of the color story of this collection. So that's that. And then inside here, you get a full list of all of the products that are included in each collection. So each of the products has a number. The products on their packaging, they also have this number so that you can refer back to this list wherever you want to learn the name or the size or the color of this product. And if you want to get more of it, here you have an SKU number that is a unique number that identifies each product that you can enter at EurekaCrystalBeads.com into the search bar if you want to get more of any of the products. So that's a very useful list that you get with each collection. Alright, very briefly, let me introduce you to each product individually. Starting with the seed beads, and you get 2 tubes of Toho seed beads. You get 1 tube of Toho rounds in size 11, which is the most used one, and a tube of Toho treasures, which will be perfect for bezeling and for any brick stitch and peyote work that you want to do. I think this color that we included is actually quite nice and quite unusual. It's charcoal lined crystal and it's frosted, which means that it's matte. And the color is basically crystal, but it's aligned with this dark gray, almost black. And I think this will look amazing and awesome in any work that you do as a background. So for any bezels, especially around those crystals that we have here, this is going to look lovely because it's not going to steal the thunder from the crystal itself, if you know what I mean. So I really like this color actually. And when it comes to the 11-0s, it's metallic iris purple, which matches very well with this inspiration picture. The next 3 tubes that you get are Miyuki beads. So you get a tube of Miyuki 3.4 drop beads in metallic variegated blue iris. It's a big tube, but it won't be full because Miyuki beads are packed by weight. And this is approximately 10 grams of those beads. So don't be alarmed if your tube isn't full, because the reason for that is that these beads are packed by weight. In any case, you get a nice big tube of these drop beads. Then you get another big tube, and as you can see for this one, it's almost filled to the brim. And these are Miyuki 6mm bugles in matte black AB. I really love this color. I think it matches the picture very well as well, only in a matte version. And then you get this big tube of a Miyuki mix. Let me show you that mix in a close-up. So in this mix, you have all sorts of metallic shades and metallic colors and all sorts of shapes. You have a lot of round beads from 11 O's through 8 O's, and I think even 6 O's or larger. These ones I think are even larger than that. You get some cube beads, some hex beads, which in Miyuki terms I think will be just round cut beads. You get some more 6mm bugles and some drop beads in this kind of golden shade. And I think this mix is just perfect with the picture. Then in the Czech beads department, you get 2 packs of fire polish beads. You get 3mm beads in this gorgeous crystal etched slippery color. So they're kind of a little bit matte, a little bit textured really. And they have a lot of shine to them as well. So they're like half matte and half shiny. And then you get 6mm fire polish beads on a strand and saturated metallic pink yarrow. Next in the Czech beads department is a tube of mini gem duos, and they are in jet full slippered. Jet means that the glass that was coated with the outer coating was black, so the color of the glass is black, and the coating is full slippered, which means they're coated all throughout from both sides, and it's a really beautiful color that's, well, identical with the picture. So I think we have a winner when it comes to which bead in this assortment is the closest to the picture that we had as the inspiration. So these were the Czech beads in the October LITE collection. And now let's go to crystals. And as per the usual, you get a strand of over 100 3x2mm faceted Chinese rondelle beads. And these are in this gorgeous shimmering metallic purple color. It's called metallic purple iris, and it sparkles so nicely under the light. I really love it. Definitely going to use it. When it comes to crystal beads, you also get 2 sizes of the same color of Krakovski Crystal, and these are both bicones. One is in 4mm, the other is in 3mm, and they are both dark blue AB. So this is this deep, I would say, cobalt blue, and it's coated with the AB coating, so they sparkle beautifully as well, and you get 72 of each of the sizes. Next up we have the stones, and you get 2 of one of the most beautiful cuts, the trillion or trilliand cut in 12mm in Vitrail Light. It's a beautiful purplish color. I say purplish because yeah, it's purple, but it's kind of so light and delicate. It has some blue in it as well. I think it's very, very pretty. And we have lots of tutorials using this size and shape, so go check out the rest of our channel, definitely. And then you get 6 of our brand new step cut Krakovski stones. And I wanted to show them to you the way they come, which is each comes in a separate baggie so that they are all safe. Alright, and here they are outside of their baggies, and aren't they just beautiful? So the step cut is not a new cut really. It's this very angular rectangle cut. It can be a square as well, but the general idea is that it has a large frontal plane, this front facet, and then several facets on the side that go down in like a step-like fashion, you might say. So this creates a larger depth into the color of the stone, and this shows that the color presents differently in this cut, because this is the same color that we used for the chatons and the rivolis in our main October collection, Opulence Eco. It's violet blue, and you can see how in the step cut stones, it's so different. Like there's very little blue, it's only right there in the middle, and there's a lot more of the purple, the pink, and even the orange and yellow. So it's a beautiful color in this sort of cut. And I think, honestly, I'm happy that we traded the chatons that we usually include in this number for these step cut stones, because aren't they going to be just perfect for a bracelet? Just imagine them like bezeled and lined up together. So I guess that's going to be the first thing that I make with this collection. And you let us know in the comments if you like this new cut and what other colors we should include in the step cut design of Krakovski stones. Alright, so these were the crystals. Now it's time for the last category, the findings. Let me get them out of their bags. And here they are. It's certainly not a very finding-rich collection, but I think the findings that we get are so nice. First of all, they're all coordinated with this beautiful rainbow finish, so they match the inspiration just so well. First of all, you get a ball and socket clasp that you can easily open and close, as you can see, even with one hand. There it is. I think it's very convenient to use for bracelets especially, but also necklaces, really anything. I even used it in one instance to connect the elements of a very large necklace so that you can, convert it and only use like the last part as a pendant. So it also looks very nice with that little ball there. So it's also pretty decorative and simplistic, I think. Then you get this lovely organic shaped connector. You can either bead around it with a brick stitch, or you can just connect something on either of the sides, and this can be part of a bracelet or a necklace. Then you get 2 pairs of earring findings. First up, you have these earring posts that also have this a bit of an organic shape. They are like an oval that's a little bit bent out of shape, perhaps. It has a hole at the bottom here, and it's a post earring, and even the post is a rainbow finish, so that's a nice touch. And then you get a pair of these pretty classic and classy ear wires with a ball, also in the rainbow finish. And then as a practical extra, you get a small pack of 20 gauge 5mm jump rings, also in the rainbow finish. They're pretty universal, and as you can see, they're pre-opened as well. Plus, you get a small pack of a rainbow finish ball head headpins. So I would say this is pretty much a practical set. And again, the finish just matches so well with the rest of the collection. It just blends seamlessly. And this is our mid-October 2025 Polychrome Glow Collection LITE. It's definitely a unique one. It has a lot of seed beads. We pared down the selection of Czech glass perhaps, but I think the very interesting selection of crystals kind of makes up for it. Look at this gorgeous step cut stone, one of the 6 that we included in this collection. And I think actually every component here is pretty much a highlight. And I think a lot of products included in this collection will find their way into other projects, just as an addition, not necessarily in the rainbowy vibe of this collection. So I'm really excited for this one. Let us know in the comments which is your favorite product that's in this collection. If you like the new Step Cat Krakovski Crystal stones, what do you think of this rainbow finish that we have on these findings here? Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching this unboxing, and see you in the next one. Bye!